Christine Beyer here, licensed esthetician for 20 years, and I'm excited. I'm always excited, right? There's just so much stuff happening in the skincare world, always, and it's just a great field. So Neogenesis, y'all know I love Neogenesis. I love the recovery, the booster, the barrier cream. I mean, all sorts of great gentle giant type of skincare coming out of Neogenesis. Now they've come out with a barrier renewal cream, which is fantastic. And why did they come out with this product? Because there is a need, and I even see it amongst my clients. We will put on the most luxurious hydrating cream there is, and they'll still have dryness. And this happens for various reasons. Sometimes medications make us dry. Sometimes we live in the desert. Sometimes we're going through a series of peels or maybe doing some challenging treatments to our skin, some laser stuff. And so we need a repair serum. And so that's why they came out with this, because they wanted something that could go on top of everything and be very reparative to the epidermis, to the stratum corneum, which is the very topmost layer of the skin. It's about the thickness of a sheet of paper. And when your skin is peely and sort of fuzzy and coming off like that, or tears easily, you know that your barrier is compromised. Now, the stratum corneum, the topmost layer of the skin, is made up of lipids and keratinocytes. So what repairs these keratinocytes and the epidermal layer are free fatty acids, ceramides, cholesterol. I know you've heard of all these things, but they actually give the skin everything it needs to repair that barrier. And why I love this is because it can be used on top of everything. So say you're using some sort of challenging products, maybe even Retin-A, which I'm not crazy about because there are lots better formulas on the market now, but say you're using something like that and you're just having a hard time getting over the hump and you just need something on top that's going to repair that barrier and give it all those oils that it needs in the right form, this guy. So it's very light. Believe it or not, this can actually even be used on acneic skin. It is for the most compromised. It's fragrance free, it's oncology approved, and it's just a really wonderful formula. And I tried this out. I have psoriasis. Yes, it's no fun. It is no fun at all. But I have scalp psoriasis mostly, and it stays away from my face and my body for the most part. But in the winter, I will get it on my elbows. And so I purposely only put it on this elbow, and you'll see that although it's still red, it does not have any flakies. This one, you see how flaky and gross it is. I feel so vulnerable showing you my psoriasis elbows. But anyways, I'm going to put some of this on here. And what I notice is that it really fills in all the cracks better than, because I put lotion on this like 5 times a day, I swear. And this seems to be lasting much longer than any other ones I'll use. So yeah, those are my psoriasis elbows that I loathe. But, you know, we can't be perfect, right? So yeah, when you replace those lipids, it just seals the skin and it just lets it repair itself and gives it that sort of warm and cozy environment to repair itself. And sometimes we just have too many environmental obstacles being thrown at our skin. If we're trying a new sort of obagi or some sort of peeling routine, if we're going through a series of laser treatments or series of peels, or even if you when I was in Santa Fe last month, I was like, good God, my skin is dry. I look 5 years older immediately just because I'm in the desert, which is brutal because you're looking at your skin and you're like, I know my skin can look better than this if I didn't live in the desert. So this would be your on top of everything else cream or your one and only cream. I love putting this on top of other Neogenesis products with the S2RM technology. It's their stem cell releasing molecules technology, which is not It's Vatican approved. It's made from adult human skin stem cell donors, right? So it's not made from babies, none of that garbage. And because it's made from skin stem cells, it is the best human skin stem cell product I have used. And I was saying earlier that they're gentle giants because Dr. McGuire, he's been working in stem cell science since the 80s. And he also has a background in ophthalmology. So like their eye serum is amazing. It doesn't bother my eyes at all, which is unusual. Recovery, that is their star product, is 70% active ingredients. And Recovery with the renewal cream, a dream if you are suffering with any sort of trying to get over the hump with flakies or whatever. But you know what's really cool about this cream is if you feel like you've put everything on and then you still got some lines, you can take it and tap it in to those areas and it will just fill in the cracks. And I love that. So let's just fill in these cracks. I got a lot of stuff on my face. Hey, I'm an esthetician, I can do that. It's a genie in a bottle, according to Kathy. Kathy is my online business assistant, and she has very sort of complicated, difficult skin that reacts not well to most over-the-counter products. And what we have her on is the Neogenesis Cleanser, the Barrier Renewal Cream, Recovery she can do, and her skin looks the best I've seen it since she started working with me a couple years ago. So if you have complicated, finicky skin, Neogenesis is a great line for you. This is a great product to start out with. Those in my club were doing a discount during the launch of this product. So I've got the Christine Buyer Beauty Club. When you're in that, you get access to discounts and sales that I have on a monthly basis. Anyway, Barrier Renewal Cream, check it out. If you've got difficult, flaky skin, this could be your dream cream. Thanks for watching.